Science and Analytics degree at Georgia Tech and a professor in Georgia Tech's Stewart School of ISYE. We saw in the introduction the sort of questions that analytics models and methods help you answer, and I'm excited to start helping you all begin learning. But first, the structure of this course might be a little different from most courses, so I want to give you a quick overview of how it'll work. In the first part of the course, the largest part, will be focused on knowledge building, what you need to know to be successful in analytics from a modeling and methods perspective. Then, in the second part of the course, we'll focus on experience building. Based on what you learned in the first part of the course, we'll talk through some case studies, especially focusing on integration, both how to integrate data decisions and modeling decisions, and also on how to integrate different models with each other to deliver a complete solution or recommendation. Looking a little deeper within the knowledge building part of the course, there will be two streams of lessons. On the left is a stream of models, lots of different mathematical approaches to solving analytics problems, machine learning, regression, optimization, and many others, sprinkled with examples and situations where they're each valuable. And on the right is a stream of cross-cutting concepts, things like preparing data, measuring the quality of a model's output, imputing missing data, etc. All concepts that are important for using and understanding many different models. You'll learn these as we go along, usually the first time each one is needed, but they're things that you can then apply to other models as you learn them. In both streams, the models and the cross-cutting concepts, I'm going to try to walk a tightrope. Because this is an introductory course, I want to give you enough of the mathematical intuition and detail of each model that you'll understand what's going on and what the benefits and drawbacks of the model are without getting overly far down into the mathematical theory. And I want to give you a broad set of modeling approaches for your analytics toolbox, so I won't cover all the advanced variations of a single method. You'll see the most commonly used versions of each model. If you want to get further down into the math, or if you want to go deeper into a certain model's advanced techniques, then after you complete this course, you'll be ready to go on to elective courses from Georgia Tech's Master of Science and Analytics degree that each focus on a specific type of analytics methodology. So that's the structure of this course. First, a broad knowledge-based introduction to lots of common analytics models and cross-cutting concepts, illustrated by situations and examples, and with enough mathematical detail provided that you'll get a good understanding of the intuition behind them and their benefits and drawbacks. Followed by an experience-based section where we'll use case studies to practice using models and data individually and in combination with each other. So you'll be all set to start using your knowledge in your company or organization. Along the way, as you build your knowledge, you'll also get some experience practicing using the models you're learning, using some of the commonly used analytics software. That practice will be part of the homework assignments. My philosophy of homework is that it's mostly a tool for learning, not a tool for grading. So you'll see some homework questions designed to make sure you've learned key basic concepts and help you realize if there's something you didn't quite get. Other homework questions that make you think about linking the material you're learning with real analytics questions, and still other homework questions that encourage you to develop your learning beyond what you've seen in the videos. That last set of questions will include learning and using analytics software. As part of those assignments, I'm not going to give you many step-by-step instructions on using the software. If I did, you'd be able to copy my steps and duplicate exactly what I did, but that's all. Instead, I want you to learn how to use the software effectively even when nobody tells you exactly what steps to take. It means your homework assignments will be a little bit more demanding and take longer, especially at first, but in your analytics career, you're certainly going to have to use software more flexibly to do more than the exact subset of things you're taught in classes, and I want you to be prepared to do that. In fact, these homeworks will also help you get used to learning a whole new software package on your own, which is another thing you'll probably need to do in your career. No matter what we teach you in this course or in the full Georgia Tech Master of Science and Analytics degree, whatever software is state-of-the-art now probably won't be 5 years from now, so I want you to be ready to pick up something new on your own. It means you'll have to do tougher and more demanding assignments now, but it'll give you a leg up in your career later. Alright, who's ready to get started? Me too, so let's get going.